This is a simple setup for routing a sliding dovetail, and it uses the 14-degree dovetail bit mounted in the router table, and the height set just high enough to do the job. After routing, I'll cut this back slightly so that it will overlap in this area right here. And the sliding dovetail drawer guides fit in just like that. I'll make a series of cuts on the table saw to flatten that part out, so when this goes together, it will cover the end of the dovetail-shaped groove. And before final assembly, I'll cut grooves for drawer guides to fit.